Today, I'm going to show you how to use Procore to clock in. I will launch my Procore mobile app. I will select the job that I'm working on. At this time, I'm going to select the training sandbox for this demonstration. I will use the tool MyTime. When I'm in the tool, I will be able to press the button at the bottom that says clock in. MyTime will default to the project that I'm already in Procore in. If I need to change it, I can click on the name and select a different project. Subjob applies to jobs that have their project divided out by phases or divisions, and it also applies to service work orders and Goodyear maintenance. All other projects can leave it to the default of NA. Some projects that do not use subjobs will not have this field showing. Cost codes can be blank. And then I need to pick my lunchtime that I plan to use for the day. I'm working a full day today, so I'm going to take a 30-minute lunch this afternoon. I've now selected my lunchtime, and I can go ahead and hit apply to clock in. I am clocked in for the day. I can minimize my screen, and you will see the time clock continue to count. I can go into other applications in the system. And then return back to my time, and you'll see my time is still counting. That is an indicator that I am clocked in. In the next video, I will show you how to clock out. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clock out using your Procore mobile application. I will click on my Procore app, go into my time, and as you can see at the bottom of my screen, my clock is counting for the time that I've worked for the day. I can press on those words, Southern Service, it will expand the screen. Since it's the end of my day, I will press the black clock out button. I have now clocked out using the Procore MyTime app. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to review your time clock and edit it if you have any corrections that are needed to be made. I will go into my Procore mobile application and I will go into my MyTime tool. For this demonstration, I'm using the very first line that says Training Sandbox, where I've clocked in for 3 minutes. I will click on that set of information, and as you can see, I must have forgot to clock in today. So as I review my time, I look at my start time and my stop time and my lunch time. I started my day at 7 a.m., so I need to fix my timesheet. You should not have to fix your timesheet on a regular basis. This should be done only when it's necessary. I will go ahead and use the edit button in the top right-hand corner. I will fix my start time to 7 a.m. I will also fix my lunch to 30 minutes because I took a 30-minute lunch today. Because I made a change to my time clock to fix my clock in that I forgot, I need to write a description. Everything we do in the Procore system has a change history that is being tagged behind the scenes. So when I actually clocked in, it timestamped it and said my name. And when I made a change, it timestamped me making a change and said my name and what change I made. This is why a note is required if you've ever edited your time clock, so your foreman and payroll know why a change was made. Once I save it, it'll update my time clock. Since we are reviewing our time clock and we've now made sure that we had the correct time for the day, we need to also look at awaiting signature. Once my time is correct and everything looks good, I will sign my time clock. At the very top hand corner, you'll see the word sign, and you want to press that word. This will allow me to sign my name or initial and submit it. I have now told the foreman and payroll that my time is correct when I signed it. You can also see notices popping up at the top that's telling me things have synced. Now my time is ready for the foreman to approve my time. I will know my timesheet is approved by the foreman when the blue pending icon changes to a green approved icon. In the next video, I will show you how to enter in PTO and sick leave through tasks. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to enter your PTO or sick leave. We will use the tool tasks. You'll navigate to the job that you're working in. For this demonstration, I'm using Training Sandbox. You will go to the task tool and you will start a new task by pressing the plus sign in the top right-hand corner. A title is required, so this one instance, I'm going to just take PTO. Or I can write time off or some other type of description that's going to let somebody know that that's what you're requesting in this task. Your status will default to initiated, and you should leave it at initiated. You can press a category if you want to designate it as PTO or sick leave. Your due date will default. This shall be left to what the default is. Due date helps the system know when to send out reminders to the person who is assigned this task. In this system, we're going to go and we're going to select an assignee. We would use the people payroll to assign to. Currently, though, I am logged in as payroll, so I cannot assign a task to myself. But you shall find the person payroll under people. For this training purposes, I'm going to assign the task to Aaron Wilson. Under the description, you're going to note the number of hours that you need for PTO in the day. So I'm taking 4 hours of PTO on June 24th. I can fill out this task at any time. So if I was going to be taking PTO in July, I could fill out a task today on June 23rd for a July PTO entry. Once I've entered in my information regarding how many hours and what day I want to use that PTO or sick leave for, I will select save. When I save it, that will send an email to the assignee to let them know there is a task to be done. As you can see in my display, I can see blue initiated. That means I initiated a task for the assignee. When the assignee completes the task, which could be payroll for you, in my demonstration, it says Aaron, they're going to close the task and it will show up as a gray closed. That is a two-way set of communication. Initiated is going off to payroll. Closed means they've done something with it. They put it in the payroll system and now they've closed the task. And that is informing you that somebody has received that information. That is how you put in your requests for paid time off.